Part 5 shows how to cast a simple plain face. The two reverse moulds on the bench are made simply by nailing the timbers directly to the bench surface. The bench and timbers have previously been greased to act as the release agent. Using a splash brush, the firstings are applied into the mould and struck off on the timber strike-offs. Canvas is then placed into the firstings when they have stiffened up sufficiently. Seconds, which have had some retarder added, size, are brushed onto the canvas, making sure that the canvas is fully covered by the plaster. This system of casting is the basic method of all casting techniques. It is only the shape that changes, the basic system remains the same. Canvas ropes are now soaked in plaster and laid in position around the perimeter of the mould. Timber laths are laid on the top of the ropes. The canvas is then turned over the laths, back into the mould. Seconds are brushed over the canvas so that a good coverage of plaster is obtained. A light splash over the top of the plaster to give added strength and plaster coverage. Fibrous plaster should be light as well as strong. The plaster is struck off level with the timber frame. This allows the plain face cast to sit flat on the wall surface whilst being fixed. When the plaster has fully set, the mould is dismantled, and because the timbers have been well greased, they come away easily. The plain face slab is now taken off the bench and the face cleaned of any imperfections by using a metal busk. The plain face slabs are ready for fixing back to the background. Plaster is applied to the back of the slabs and placed into position to line up with the existing background. They are then tapped home and checked to make sure that they all line up together. Larger holes are filled in with plaster of Paris and brought to a true flat, level surface.